Are you there, my smart affiliates? Welcome back to my channel, where I provide tips, tricks, tactics, and strategies for successful affiliate marketing. Today's episode is part 1 of a series specially crafted for you, my rising affiliate marketers, as my mission is to help you not just learn, but convert, turning knowledge into action and results. My name is Sam Chidabere, and if you're ready, let's go. But before we dive in, I have to advise that for you to be well grounded in this topic, you must need to follow the episodes, parts, serially, as each episode is loaded with fresh ideas and different angles to the topic. Happy viewing. Understanding affiliate marketing landscape in 2024. First things first. Let's understand what's going to be hot in affiliate marketing for 2024. It's quite important to stay ahead of the game, especially if you're new to the business. So for my rising affiliate marketers, make sure to subscribe as I bring you the latest trends and updates. Preparing for brainstorming. Before we dive into brainstorming, let's lay the groundwork. If you're just starting out, identifying your niche is undoubtedly very key. I am here to guide you on this journey step by step. Identifying your passions and interests. Now, to all you rising affiliate marketers out there, let's talk about tapping into your passions and interests. What drives you? What makes your heart race? Crafting content around what you love isn't just rewarding. It's the secret to converting your audience into buyers. Analyzing trends and emerging niches. For 2024, it's all about staying ahead. My rising affiliate marketers can benefit from tools like Google Trends and industry reports. In this segment, I'm specifically emphasizing the niches with potential, which are sustainable living and eco-friendly products. These niches align with the trends for 2024 and present significant opportunities for affiliate marketers. Competitor analysis. Competitor analysis is like a feasibility research in a brick-and-mortar business. It's a very crucial step in affiliate marketing. It's not about copying their strategies, but finding your unique selling points. Here is how to do it. 1. Identify your competitors. Start by listing your main competitors in your niche. 2. Website assessment. Visit their websites and assess their design, layout, and user experience. Note down what works and what doesn't. 3. Content analysis. Look at the type of content they produce. Are they focusing on blog posts, videos, or social media? What topics are they covering? 4. Traffic sources. Use tools like SEMrush or SimilarWeb to understand where their traffic is coming from. Are they leveraging social media, SEO, or paid advertising? 5. Products or services. What products or services are they promoting as affiliates? Are there any specific affiliate program they are consistently promoting? 6. Audience engagement. Analyze their engagement on social media. Which platforms are they most active on? What kind of content gets the most likes, shares, and comments? 7. Keywords. Look for the keywords they are targeting in their content. This can give you insights into their SEO strategy. 8. Conversion strategies. If possible, track their conversion strategies. Are they using email marketing, webinars, or other tactics to convert visitors into customers? Remember, the goal is not to copy, but to learn from your competitors. Use this information to find gaps in their strategies that you can fill with a unique approach. By following these steps, you can effectively analyze your competitors' strategies and use that knowledge to differentiate yourself in the affiliate marketing space. Keyword research. Keywords are your compass in affiliate marketing. And for my rising affiliate marketers, I am here to guide you through using tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs to find those high potential keywords. Let's dive in. Step 1. Sign up or log in. If you are new to SEMrush or Ahrefs, sign up for an account. Both platforms offer free trials, making them accessible to rising affiliate marketers. Step 2. Enter your seed keyword. Start with a seed keyword related to your niche. For instance, if you are in the sustainable living niche, your seed keyword could be eco-friendly products. Step 3. Analyze keyword data. SEMrush and Ahrefs provide a treasure trove of data. Look for metrics like search volume. How many people are searching for the keyword? Keyword difficulty. How hard it is to rank for the keyword and related keywords. Step 4. Filter and sort. To find the best keywords for your content, use filters by search volume to identify high demand keywords. For my rising affiliate marketers, it is often a good idea to target keywords with lower competition, lower keyword difficulty to start. Step 5. Long tail keywords. Consider long tail keywords. These are longer, more specific keyword phrases that often convert better. For example, best eco-friendly kitchen gadgets for small spaces is a long tail keyword. Step 6. Competitive analysis. Use SEMrush or Ahrefs to spy on your competitors. Enter their website or content URL to see which keywords they are ranking for. This can give you ideas for keywords to target. Step 7. Content ideas. Keywords also provide content ideas. For example, if best eco-friendly kitchen gadgets is a top keyword, You could create a blog post or video reviewing these gadgets. Step 8. Track your progress. As you create content and route these keywords, track your progress using the tools. Are you ranking higher? Are you getting more organic traffic? Adjust your strategy as needed. Remember, keyword research is an ongoing process. Stay updated with the latest keywords in your niche and keep optimizing your content for better results. This is how you will convert your audience into buyers, aligning with my mission here at Smart Affiliates. By following these steps, rising affiliate marketers can effectively use tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs to discover high potential keywords and craft content that resonates with their audience, ultimately driving conversions. This is the much we can take in this episode. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not already done that, so that YouTube will notify you as soon as I upload the part 2 of this series, which is Brainstorming Affiliate Marketing Ideas. You wouldn't want to miss it. Until then, keep rocking the affiliate marketing book and keep churning out ideas. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Also press the bell icon for notification for future great videos. Thank you.